in the garage and cleaning and stuff, and it's like 91 out here. I'm sweating my titties off. I'm totally soaked. It sucks to be 91 out here. Gosh, big guy life. them welds were going so good, and I hit the proportioning valve and turned the gas off by accident. So that first bend around, the gas was on, and then it ran out, and then that's why the bottom started getting all nasty. I'll have to grind it down and fix it, but this side's welded anyway. Alright, so the current situation is I am under the C10 or C15, whatever. Don't look at my welds. I accidentally turned my gas off on myself. If they look like crap, I will be grinding them down. But I am getting ready to make my box plate. Got my cardboard and scissors and absolutely no room under here. I'm pretty close to the ground, but I need my light. So, I'm gonna save you the trouble of watching me squeeze around here a bunch of times and make these templates. I'm thinking 12 inches. This is 5, so yeah, it's going to be about here and here. It's going to be pretty big. It's enough to make this super sturdy, which it already is, but we like it super duper sturdy. This side, I'll probably come all the way almost back to here, I believe. But this was from my rear end. Apparently the seal is out and it was slinging crap everywhere. But if you want to look under, oh, there you go. Yeah, this truck is really, really clean. But I'm gonna not worry about this gobbledygook right now and worry about making plates. There we go. Got the cardboard template made. It fits both sides. It's in there relatively tight. I got a mark for back on both sides. And now let's get out and mark it on some steel. Cut her up with the old plasma. Alright, so here's my template. Marked out my steel. Now I did put back and back because I needed to know exactly which one goes where, which this one goes on the passenger side and this one goes on the driver's side. Hence the back on both sides. So back, so if you put it on driver's side, that'd be wrong. Booyah, right there, back. Well, it'd be the passenger side. That one's on the driver's side because it would go over there, back. Anywho, I kept the factory edge up here, factory and factory, and unfortunately this is a cut edge, but that means I only got to make this cut for the hump, grind it, hopefully not too much grinding to fit, and it's done, ready to weld in. But it's that quick. This is 1/4 inch steel, or not 1/4 inch, I'm sorry, 1/8 inch steel. What's that, 11 gauge, 10 gauge? Either way, thick stuff, just as thick as the frame, but this is probably stronger. The fear of, it's not the metal breaking or cracking or anything, it's the welds ripping. That, because two different strengths of metal, but it's not really, because it's not a full cut, it's a pie cut. So it would rip, if it does anywhere, would be around them, that edge. These ones not so much, but it would definitely be in that pie. So now, hook up the plasma, cut these out, grind them up. Here they are, all cut out, still pretty warm, especially this one. This thing, this is my grandfather's, and my uncle, well, he got it, let's say that. This is an awesome vise. Oh, it's a Belsey. No wonder it's good. This is probably like a $400 vise. I didn't even know. But it's awesome because not only do I have these jaws, break it loose, and the freaking thing spins and has triangles and everything. Look at that. This thing is awesome. And now it's in my garage, and he's never getting it back. But it is wicked sweet. I've done lubed it up and everything. It's got a measurement for some reason. I don't know, to tell you how wide your jaws are going, I guess. I don't know. But love it. Held this steel real nice. Cut easy. Loving you. Love it. Let this cool down. Start grinding.